Hey guys, so I have chika again So ayun, I'm quite confused. Yung ex ko parang hindi na nagbibigay sa mga my day ko kasi basically lagi siya naka-bill, lagi siya naka-stalk. Actually, matagal na siya naka-block sa akin sa lahat ng social media accounts ko. The very reason why I unblocked him is because he kept on using other accounts like his mother's account, his nephew's account just to stalk me. So that's why I already unblocked him, and then he immediately added me. So syempre para ma-stop na yung paggamit niya ng ibang accounts para ma-stalk ako, I accepted him agad, and then we became friends again. Pero we have no contacts. We are never chatting each other like ever again. So ayun, nakakatawa lang kasi hilig niya talagang mang-stalk ng mga babae tsaka ng mga ex niya. Hindi lang naman ako yung ini-stalk niya.